The 8 best air hammers for powering through your metalworking jobs. Air hammers, or air chisels, might not be the most common power tool you think of, but these powerful little machines put a tremendous amount of power in the palm of your hand. Although they're primarily used for auto bodywork like removing frozen wheel bearing hubs and exhausts, and popping ball joints loose, they're also useful for metal or masonry demolition tasks, like cutting sheet metal and busting up concrete. Air hammers aren't cheap tools. We did our best to include several lower budget options in our selection. 1. Ingersoll Rand 114 GQC Air Hammer. Low price and durable construction. This Ingersoll Rand air hammer would be a great choice for anyone who wants a high-quality tool at a reasonable price. Its rugged steel construction will stand up to the abuse of busy workshops, and with the ability to generate speeds of 3,500 RPMs, is more than capable of handling most air hammer jobs. 2. Chicago Pneumatic CP717K Super Duty Air Hammer Kit. Very powerful and durable construction but extremely expensive. This Chicago pneumatic hammer wouldn't be ideal for projects that require a lighter touch, but if you just need to break down large fasteners and metalwork by any means necessary, this hammer could be a great option. 3. Rockwood Air Hammer 4 Chisel Set Kit. Very affordable and includes 4 bits. Don't have the budget for a high-end unit, but still need the functionality of an air hammer. This Rockwood model could be a good fit. It's probably not going to hold up as well as more expensive hammers, but it's 4 chisel bits and 4,500 BPM speed. 4. Ingersoll Rand 123 MAXK Short Barrel Air Hammer Kit. Good selection of bits and lightweight. The short barrel design of this Ingersoll Rand hammer makes it ideal for tasks that need a bit more precision, like light-duty automotive work and demolition. 5. Craftsman CMX PTSG 1010NB Air Hammer. Low price and lightweight. This Craftsman hammer delivers mid-range power at a surprisingly low price, and generates 2,800 blows per minute. The rubber grip is another big selling point of this tool, and should provide a sturdy and solid grip while you work, making it useful for tasks that require maximum control. 6. Chicago Pneumatic CP714 Classic Series Heavy Duty Air Hammer. We're big fans of how much control this hammer gives the user. A regulator mounted on the bottom of the handle allows you to dial in the output power to your specific task, and the positive action trigger increases or decreases its speed depending on how much pressure you apply. 7. Ingersoll Rand 121Q Super Duty Air Hammer. Includes bottle of oil and affordable price. The 3000 BPM rate and collection of 6 chisel types makes this hammer an especially useful option, capable of handling the majority of small and large hammering tasks. 8. AirCat 5300AT Super Duty Air Hammer. Ergonomic handle and very powerful. If your priority is raw power, this AirCat model might be just what you're looking for. It's designed to quickly and effectively drive out heavy-duty pins and cut through large bolts and fasteners, producing 1,760 blows per minute.